Hi friends, it has been a while since I last recorded anything other than yarn dyeing videos. It's time to get back to all the other stuff I want to do. And one of the things I've been meaning to show you is, I've been getting questions about this from some of you as well, that I show what the hand-dyed yarns look like when knitted into something. So I thought today I am going to show you the hand-dyed sock yarn, or the self-striping sock yarn that we dyed last year in the first season, because I did make a pair of socks out of those. And I will also link the video somewhere up here and down below as well. This is what they look like. Oh, I got a strand over here. Here we go. I'm coming in a little closer. So it's fairly thin stripes, and these are, I wore them once and I accidentally snagged this one on a nail or something. I don't know how I managed to do that, but I had to do a quick repair because it was getting ripped. These are just basic socks. I think I cast on 72 stitches and a 1x1 ribbing. And yeah. So that's what those look like. And this is when I dyed the sections of yarn where each section was one color, which gives the small stripes like this. And here you can see it underneath the foot in just stockinette. And I also have quite a lot of yarn left. Got this ball left. So yeah. Quite happy with both the yarn and the results. So if you want to have larger stripes, chunkier stripes, you would have to paint more sections of the sock yarn. And I used the sock yarn that is already it's tied off in sections, so that you know exactly how long you need to paint. But you could of course use just regular sock yarn and do your own measure out yourself. What you do need to keep in mind is that for these, the type of yarn that I used, that skein is a lot longer. It's really long, which makes it easier to hand paint because there's fewer strands in each section. So yeah, so you may have to change that if you're using a different type of sock yarn, or you might end up with just really short sections. If you just, let's say you grab a regular skein and just do 2 colors, you might get a couple of rows, I think, in each color. So if you want it longer than that, you need to split or to open up your skein even more and make it longer. So yeah. So the longer the section you dye in one color, the bigger the stripes will be. And yeah, it's kind of hard to see. I think that's a good, yeah. And like I said, this is what it looks like underneath in just plain stockinette. So yeah, that's that project. Oh, it's dark. Hello, there we are. Sorry about the glare. I should have taken off my glasses. That is what this yarn did. It made thin stripe socks, which I'm really happy about. It's really happy socks. So yeah, and I'll be back probably next week to show you another project I made from some hand-dyed yarns. I'll see you then.